Hi everyone, it's Kay here. Today I thought I would show you some things that I have bought. I've been shopping and so you can have a look and see what kind of things that I've bought, just because they're so nice I want to share. Once a month I subscribe to a creative kit from Uniquely Creative, which is an Adelaide company, and they do ship overseas, but I don't know what the postage is. I'm sorry about this. Their latest collection is called Summer Sonata. So I think it's going to make a beautiful journal. It's going to make some beautiful cards, and I apologise for all those Uniquely Creative people who already have this kit, because you would have seen it, but I'm just showing those people who haven't seen it before. So I'm going to be using it for a journal as well as some cards. It's got some beautiful papers. Just love them. It's got this sort of beautiful sort of shabby sort of style. It's got, they have two of each paper. Look at this, isn't that gorgeous? Isn't that beautiful? Love that page. Love them all, actually. I love them all. So I think it would make, this would make a fantastic journal. That's made into pink ledger paper. That side, it's got this sort of like a Parisian type feel to it, French style. Isn't that gorgeous? I love all these sort of tickets on the sides here. Back, and I love this collage of vintage things. It's called vintage. This particular paper is called Vintage Collage. I just love that. And that's the back to Paris Street. And this page is for fussy cutting. I've already fussy cut the other page like that out, and it's got this lovely film strip on it, so I've done that already. And that's the back. This is, I love this one as well, this page. This is the fussy cutting page as well, which I've also done. So they've also, in the kit, they also have like these puffy stickers, these rose gold words. This is all the things that I fussy cut out. They had some lace shapes in the box. I've got the long, they've got words. They've got some vellum stickers. I've got what they call creative cuts as well, so they're a bit thicker. So they will be really good in journals as well as cards. They had some what they call, I don't know if they call this chipboard or not. It's these chipboard things as well for your help. They make them for scrapbookers, but I think they're perfect for cards and for journals. And they also had a pack of cogs to go with the collection as well. So I use this little old container to put all my bits and pieces. I put them in sections so I know where I'm doing. And I've already I have fussy cut a lot of those flowers and things out, but I've just got a couple I didn't do because I just need to give my arm a bit of rest. So there was that came, so I've done the fussy cutting for that. So the next thing will be to make some cards and some journal. Put the little papers over to one side. Sorry, don't lose them. They're down here on the floor. And then I've got this from Pam, who has a channel called Just Add Lace on YouTube, and I'll put a link to her channel. She does the most amazing work and with lace, and she's just had these on YouTube, and she wanted to sell them, and I thought I'll buy them for journal toppers. What's this, a little card, little thank you card, says, "Kay, thank you for your purchase, Pam." So these she made them originally for hangers in wardrobes and things like that too, so you could I'll show you in a minute when I take it out of the bag. This bit here has got a makeup sponge inside, so you could drench it in perfume and use it as a hanger, but I'm not using it as a hanger. I'm going to use it as a journal topper. I think it'd be lovely as a journal topper. And the other one is so pretty, that one. I had to watch the video a few times because I wasn't to work out which ones I actually wanted, because there were so many gorgeous ones. And then this one as well, which is also gorgeous. I think they'll be lovely on as journal toppers. Really lovely. You could almost keep it as a hanging thing in the journals, really, I suppose. It's just really lovely. So I've got those. The other thing I bought, in case you hadn't seen it from Pam a long time ago, was this pouch, which I keep my special, gets a bit squished in my drawer. I keep all my spare bits and pieces, like the last remnants of laces in there. Isn't it gorgeous? She makes them from placemats and then decorates them with lace. Isn't that gorgeous? I just love that one. Anyway, it sits in my drawer, my last bits of lace. Then the other thing was I went shopping at Crafty Beavers, which is a company shop in Warrnambool, because they sell, I buy quite a bit of my Stamperia things from them, so I bought some Stamperia product. I bought them because sometimes you don't go get them while they've got them. The next time you look, they haven't got them. Because, so some collections are hard to come by. I bought, once they've run out, they run out. Oops. Just going to undo the box if I can. Here. Let's open this end. So I bought Lady Vagabond Lifestyle. I just love the Lady Vagabond series. Just put this to one side while I show you this one. I just love the Lady Vagabond, and I think lots of other people do too. All the journals I've made with this series have all been sold quite quickly. They've got that sort of steampunk kind of vibe. Just put that rubbish on the floor. So in case you hadn't seen it before, I apologise if you have. So they've got that front cover, which you can cut out to make tags and things. Oops, just a bit. But you can use these bits for tags. Here's Lady Vagabond. Start where you are. I just love the colours of Stamperia collections. There's this one. That one. Look at that. Look at that, beautiful. I love that sort of shabby, rusty kind of look. Beautiful. This Lady Vagabond. And reading a book. With the legs up in the air. That's lovely. I love that page. Double page actually. That's cool. I love these old gramophone things they've got here. At the back, and some. They look like things from a submarine rather than a ship. You can just use the back and just not worry about the front. Look at that. Great journaling cards. Stamperia seems to have this cat in their collections. I'm not a cat person, so probably will just use the back. But look at that page there. I just love all the sort of like Victoriana type thing. Just love these portraits. That's lovely. Scene of the double page spread of a household room. Look at that. It's sort of purple tones. It's lovely. I didn't realise I had purple tones in it. So there's that cat. But I just love that collection. So I bought that, and I bought this one as well. I'm a bit of a sucker for roses. Just to see if I can undo it. Sorry. Oh. Tony and I, that's my husband, in case you hadn't known, went to the beach, which is about 30 minutes away on the expressway this morning for our walk, because we quite like going down there for a walk on the beach. Because there was no breeze this morning, which is unusual. It was lovely. And then we sat outside this little kiosk and he had nice coffee and I had a nice chocolate. made by them, which was really nice, because the ones in the paper cartons are too sweet. So this is Rose Parfum by Stamperi, isn't it? It's just stunning. The colours are just stunning. Just really, really pretty collection. I hope you can see both sides. All these little tags and things, little words, I should say. Look at that. Trying to sort of, so you can see. They're just so pretty. Look at that. Love that. Beautiful, beautiful tags to be made from those. Because you can just use them as they are, because the back, because they're quite thick paper, so you don't really need any reinforcement, and to use the back for writing on this gorgeous page. I'm going to be hard pushed to cut this one up, I think. It's so pretty. It's just beautiful, really beautiful. Just love all the soft greens and pinks. But I will cut it up and I will make a journal out of it, and it's just gorgeous. Just a matter of deciding which one for the front page and which other ones to use inside. Tough. They're so gorgeous. Gorgeous. I've been waiting for Stamperi to release their latest collection after Christmas, but they've got a Korheim, which is done by Vicky Papaneo. But that's not really my thing, so I'm just waiting to see what else they're going to bring up. Just gorgeous. Look at these all these labels. Aren't they gorgeous? It's beautiful. Going to have fun using that. And then I don't normally buy the back. This is the Rose Parfum background, but I bought these because I thought they would be really good. I don't have a lot of what do you call background kind of papers, and they could be used in a variety of journals. And yes, I know you can get the digitals, but I never sort of, some of them are a bit more grungy than I would prefer, so personal preference, I think. I haven't seen any sort of like this, but I might have to have a look at Roxy's Creations ones, see what she has, because she has some nice ones. Isn't that gorgeous? So these are just backgrounds, and I thought it would be perfect for this journal, the Parfum journal, and for other journals as well. Isn't it gorgeous? I think it's gorgeous. Just beautiful. Look at that beautiful pattern there. So pretty. Really pretty. Another one would be hard to cut up. Thank you, by the way, for all the people who have lately subscribed to my channel, for all my loyal subscribers. I really appreciate you all subscribing to my channel and staying with me. That's really lovely. Thank you. Look at that. That's stunning. So pretty. I like that side as well. Oh, that's a bit rough. Choosing two nice ones on two different pages. Maybe have to use something that can see both sides. I like this page too. This page is really, I like these sort of like collaged things using text and tables and written things. I just love that kind of look. Really pretty. Oh, is that the same as the other one? No, it's a bit different. And now the perfume bottles, which can be used as decoration on tags. So I looked at some of the other ones, but I like that wasn't the best. And I also bought some foams, ink blender, and some blending tool things, because I've got a couple, but I need to go through them and chuck some of them out. And I got a new pink. I don't know what it's like. Let's have a look, because I have I was watching. I've got a sort of muted pink, and it's sort of running out, and I'm either getting a replacement ink or getting a new ink. And then I was watching Gala Agostolina, and she talked about just Victorian velvet being a nice pink. So that's the other pink that I've got. What's it called? Dusty Rose? I think it's called Dusty Rose. I've put it away so I can't find it. Anyway, let's see what this one's like. Oh yes, I like that too. That's nice. Yeah, so we'll do, I'll quickly grab a stamp and see what else I like stamped. Quickly find a stamp off the top of my head. Probably not. This one. Oh yes, yes. Oh, that's nice. That's a nice one. Anyway, so that's my purchases that I've been shopping with. But like I said, the Uniquely Created one I subscribe to, so I get that regularly. And you can skip them if you don't want a particular collection. And they do have been bringing out some really wonderful collections lately, and they're also pretty and gorgeous. So I've got a bit of a backlog of things I want to make generous with. I've been making cards as well, don't get me wrong. So it's just a receipt from Crafty Divas saying what I've bought. Paper to use, that's good. Anyway, thank you very much for joining me today and looking at my shopping, and we'll see you next video. Bye bye.